Well, try this again. Okay, this is the 1997 Harley Fatboy again for a nice morning. See, yeah, ignition's locked. This is the one I rebuilt the rear brake caliper for it. And I'm waiting on the parts to, reassemble my front or rear brake master cylinder. Get that done. Oh yeah, she's all chromed out, everything on her. Okay, let's see. Here's this side. And I'm running straight pipes, no baffles, no mufflers. That's legal here in Texas. I live in Houston, Texas. And, I rebuilt my rear brake caliper, got it reassembled. Front, notice I put plastic over that front brake line and wrap black electrical tape around it because you don't want to let moisture get in those, until I can get the master cylinder back on there. Parts are going to be here tomorrow, Monday, or day after that, Tuesday, you know. But she runs great. I see she's been sitting for like 2 days right now. Let's see. Let me turn fuel. Yeah, fuel. Got that turned on. Yeah, runs like a brand new one. That's my old 2 Ford Super Crew, just like a new one. This is my '05 Lincoln Town Car, just like a brand new one, inside and out, and under the hood. Alright, we'll see if this video takes. The last one didn't take for some reason. Okay. Yeah, and good morning. Jesus Christ is the answer, people. I love you, Jesus Christ. I am very blessed.